Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle the touchpad on your ACER Chromebook 315. To toggle the touchpad on your Chromebook, you first need to enable debugging keyboard shortcuts by following these steps. Open Google Chrome on your device and then type Chrome : double slash and then flags slash hash and hash dash debug dash shortcuts, like this. Then press enter, and then we're gonna have to search for a flag, debugging keyboard shortcuts, and enable it. Then you're gonna have to restart your computer by clicking restart right here, and wait until your device is restarted. Once it happens, you'll be able to toggle your touchpad using Search, Shift, and P combination of keys. And as you can see, the touchpad right now is inactive. However, I can still use my external mouse. And then we can use the same combination of keys to re-enable the touchpad. Then you can also re-disable the debugging feature by going to the previous address of Chrome. Debug shortcuts. That's it. Press enter and then disable debugging keyboard shortcuts, and then restart your PC once again for the changes to be applied. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.